and I hope you can file on time for your taxes. It's coming up so soon.
I know. Say it ain't so.
I don't even want to think about it. Can we talk about Christmas or something? But the IRS is changing the way that some of us file taxes by not having to go through a third party like H&R Block or TurboTax.
Yeah, we'll see how this works out. The agency announced yesterday it's launching this pilot program of a free e-file tax return system starting in January. But the thing is, it's by invite only.
What? Is it like VIP?
I don't know. We're about to find out, and only starting with taxpayers in 13 states. So let's bring in NewsNation business contributor and New York Post reporter Lydia Moynihan. Okay, so Lydia, who are the cool kids getting these invites? And also, what's the end game here with the IRS and these third-party tax services? Are they competing or trying to put them out of business?
Well, I think the big story here is that it seems like the IRS is finally entering the 21st century. I don't want to jinx it, but it does seem like even though they still don't have email, the fact that they will now have some sort of online presence is certainly a step in the right direction. This is all part of the $80 billion they got as part of the Inflation Reduction Act. Of course, they hired a lot more people, and now they are also investing in this pilot program. Now, they're not clear about who's going to get that coveted invite. As you mentioned, it's just going to be 13 states, and that's because they've had issues integrating federal and state taxes together. Initially, they were only able to offer a federal e-filing program, and it's the government, so it seems like everything gets more complicated than it has to be. So they're going to test that out this go around. I think, knowing how these things go, they probably only want to invite people who are very patient or are willing to file early, meet certain qualifications like that.
So not me.
It's just.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think I'm going to be one of those cool kids that we were speaking of. And other countries have done similar programs, but I know a lot of people have enjoyed the write-off for home offices as they've worked from home. But still, 1 in 4 employees are still working remotely. Is this the new normal?
Well, I mean, look, it's certainly a lot more normal than we saw before the pandemic, but it's also come down pretty dramatically. You look at the numbers. In 2021, at least one person of every household, 36% of people were working from home at least one day a week. And now that's dropped much lower to about 26%. Again, still higher than the pandemic. But I think it's these CEOs, a lot of people at the top of the companies really want people to be coming in. They want that in-person collaboration. If you remember a few months ago, Zoom, which is probably the biggest beneficiary of work from home, they even brought their people back to the office. So I think we're going to see a lot more hybrid, but not the full remote that we saw during the pandemic.
All right, Lydia, thank you so much. We appreciate you joining us here in this hour. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.